Dear student, today we are going to discuss a important topic that is over subscription. What is that? That is over subscription. What we are studying? We are studying company accounts and we are learning the process of how to record the share capital transaction, right? In last classes, we have discussed what is the procedure, how to collect money and how to pass the entries. But in last classes, you might have noticed that last classes में हमने क्या किया था? क्वेश्चन में देखा होगा आपने 10,000 शेयर इशू एंड सब्सक्राइब। इसका मतलब क्या है? 10,000 शेयर्स इशू एंड सब्सक्राइब। इसका मतलब यही है, जो भी शेयर हमने इशू किया था, 10,000 शेयर हमने इशू किया था, वो दैट शेयर्स फुल्ली सब्सक्राइब। इसका मतलब ये समझा, मार्केट में हमने 10,000 शेयर के लिए प्रोस्पेक्टस डाला था, लोगों ने एप्लीकेशन भेजा है, 10,000 शेयर के लिए ही आया। मान लीजिए आपका ऐसे कंपनी है, टाटा है, टीसीएस है, टाटा है, आईटीसी है, कुछ भी अच्छे से कंपनी, उन्होंने शेयर इशू किया, तो क्या होगा? व्हाट विल हैपन दैट टाइम इफ ए बिग कंपनी, ए renowned company, a well managed company, right? He has high demand in market. He issued the shares, like 10,000 shares he issued. What will happen then? If that company will issue 10,000 shares, actually what happened when these companies, people are looking to these companies only. When these companies issue shares, more people apply to get the share. More people want to become a shareholder of that particular company. Just think, 10,000 shares issued, but subscribe 15,000 shares. But ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन हुआ। हमारे पास कितना शेयर है? We have 10,000 shares only, but पब्लिक ने कितना अप्लाई किया? 15,000. What to do now? We have 10,000 shares only. हमारे पास अभी 10,000 शेयर है, हम ज्यादा शेयर इशू नहीं कर सकते हैं, 10,000 शेयर। लेकिन पब्लिक का डिमांड कितना? एप्लीकेशन आया 50,000 शेयर्स के लिए, एप्लीकेशन आया 15,000 शेयर्स के लिए। तो if the situation happen like this, then what to do? How will pass the entries? How will treat the accounting treatment? What will be the accounting treatment for that? See what happened. Three cases are there. Three alternatives are there. Three alternatives are there for this case. Three alternatives are there. Okay. Three alternatives are there. क्या हो सकता है? थ्री अल्टरनेटिव्स पार्ट नंबर। द डायरेक्टर्स कैन इन फर्स्ट ऑप्शन वो क्या कर सकता है? वो 10,000 शेयर को, जो 15,000 शेयर का एप्लीकेशन आया है, वो क्या कर सकता है? जो भी 10,000 शेयर को उन्होंने अलॉटमेंट कर सकता है, फुल 10,000 एंड 5,000 शेयर्स को रिजेक्ट कर सकता है। समझ रहे हैं आप इसका मतलब? आर यू गेटिंग? 10,000 shares he has issued in the market, but that has over subscribed means 15,000 shares are application came. Then what he did, he can allot 10,000 shares to shareholders, and the rest 5,000 shares he can reject that money. He can reject that share. That means he can refund that amount to the shareholders. This is the first case. Second case, in second case में क्या हो सकता है? Second case में ये हो सकता है. That is very important. What is second case? In second case क्या हो सकता है? In second case, company or director can allot on proportionate basis. Can allot share on proportionate basis. This is very important. Directors can allot the shares on proportionate basis. That will say pro rata allotment. What? Pro rata allotment. Pro rata allotment. Right? We issued 10,000 shares. Received application for 15,000 shares. Now what to do? We will issue the share on proportionate basis. On what basis? Proportionate basis. We will allot the share. That means what will happen if we allot shares on proportionate basis, then what will happen here? Then we have to allot the share on proportionate basis. Like just a thing that is not 10,000 shares, 20,000 shares, we need to calculate 20,000 shares issue but subscribe 25,000 shares. Okay, this is issue, this is subscribe. Now company wants to give pro rata allotment. So what we will do? Proportionate will allot the share. That means what? Proportionate means what? We have only 20,000 shares. Applied 25,000 shares. We have only 20,000 shares to allot, but application is for 25,000 shares. Then this is 4 by 5. Right? We can do this 4 by 5. So this is the ratio. That means we can allot the share on 4:5. On which basis? 4:5 basis. This is most important. This we say pro rata allotment. What? We say this is pro rata allotment. That means what? What it says? It says those who applied for 5 shares, they will get 4 shares. Clear? Those who applied for 5 shares, they will get 4 shares. That means those who are जिन्होंने 5 शेयर मांगा है, हम उसको 4 शेयर देंगे. कितना देंगे? 4 शेयर. रिपीटेडली मैं कह रहा हूं, जिन्होंने हमको 5 शेयर के लिए एप्लीकेशन भेजा है, उनको हम 4 शेयर दे पाएंगे. प्रोडक्ट सबको देंगे हम, किसी को हम यहाँ पर किसी का मन नहीं दुखाएंगे, सबको हम शेयर अलर्ट करेंगे. समझ में आया? ये हो सकता है क्या? इसको हम कहते हैं pro rata allotment. This is very important. This is your question in your exam. Compulsory question in your exam. Note of it. This is your compulsory question in your board exam. Correct? This is the second case. Third case में क्या हो सकता है? In third case, company, like in third case, to take other example, 10,000 shares issue. How much? 10,000 shares issue. Just for calculation, I am giving an example. In third case, what can happen? Issue 10,000. Issue 10,000 shares. This is issue. आपने पढ़ा है कि नहीं? फर्स्ट क्लास में मैंने पढ़ा है, आपको बताया था. इशूड कैपिटल, ऑथराइज्ड कैपिटल, सब्सक्राइब कैपिटल, पेड अप कैपिटल, ये सब का आपको अच्छे से जान जाना चाहिए. राइट? आई होप you are reading all the things carefully, that you are getting also all the things clearly. So here what happened? 10,000 shares. 10,000 shares issued. Subscribed in third case. In subscribe 15,000 shares. Subscribe 15,000 shares. First case what is the first case? Suppose think 20,000 shares we issued. We received 25,000 from market and we rejected 5,000 to the market and we allocated the next 20,000 shares to the shareholder. In second case what happened? We received from market 25,000 shares. We have only 20,000 shares. We allocated the share on pro rata basis. On pro rata basis. So here, this is the third alternative. In third alternative, you can say 10,000 shares are there, but subscribed 50,000. That will say that is over subscription because issue 10,000, subscribe more 15,000. This will say over subscription. So here, this is the third alternative. Company can, out of 15,000 shares, company can reject or refund 2,500 shares. Reject or refund. Reject. And next. And what is the next? Next is the balance is 12,500 shares. Total is received 15,000 shares. Clear? We received the money of 15,000 shares. Now rejected 2,500 शेयर्स. Now what do we have? हमने कितने रखा? हमने रखा 12,500 शेयर के लिए. इसको हम अलर्ट करेंगे प्रो राटा बेसिस में. शेयर हमारा कितना है? 10,000. इसी में हमने कितना किया? 12,500. इसको हम अगर कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो ये कितना आएगा? ये भी आपका आएगा 4.5. Sorry, 4/5. That is equal to 4:5. Here also same cases. Those who are applied 5 shares, they will get 4 shares. Those who are applied for 5 shares, company will allot him 4 shares. Clear? Next part we will see the entries. In next part we will see the journal entries. You clear these things? In first alternative, you receive 10,000 shares. In second alternative, you receive 25,000 shares. You allotted 20,000 shares and rejected 5,000 shares. In second alternative में हमने क्या किया? हमने रिसीव किया 25,000 shares को. और हमारे पास कितना शेयर था? कैपेसिटी 20,000 का. हमने उसको अलॉट किया प्रो राटा बेसिस में, प्रोपोर्शनल बेसिस में, जिस 4:5 रेशियो में, जिन्होंने 5 शेयर के लिए अप्लाई किया था उनको हमने 4 शेयर दिया. थर्ड केस में हमने क्या किया? हमने कुछ अमाउंट रिटर्न कर दिया और बाकी को हमने प्रो राटा कर दिया. ओके. Here this is for the over subscription. Next, we will see the journal entries for over subscription. Treatment 3 cases are there. Okay. In next classes, we will discuss about the journal entries. So I am concluding here. You just go through this in next class. Whatever in your NCERT books, that follow that only. In next class, we will discuss about whatever the entry will be get treatment. That also we will discuss in the next class. So here I am concluding this. Thank you.